Hello guys! Hello guys, what's happening? Welcome to another video. Oh shit. Hello guys. What the fuck was that? Hello guys. Hello guys, welcome to another video. Fucking shit.
Eventually.
Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today is Valentine's Day. I know, all by myself. But that ain't gonna stop me, guys. Today I might be doing some stuff on the car. I might be switching some of the interior over. Not sure yet. Don't get your hopes up. Might not happen. But firstly, what I want to show you, if you haven't already seen on my Instagram, if you do not follow my Instagram, follow the Instagram. There it is. That'll keep you updated with upcoming videos, what is to be coming in the videos. It's basically like a sneaky preview of what's to come further on the next video, basically. So yeah, I'm just going to show you these. So what I've been busy with this morning, I've got a customer's set of wheels. They wanted a nice, subtle but nice finish. They asked me if I could do a black base or a black wheel with like a green flip. We suggested a metal flake, and guys, it came out brilliant. I'll just give you a quick show. Most of you'll know that cameras don't really pick flake up. Hopefully it picks it up better than what I think it's gonna, but this is what they look like. So as you can see, from a side angle, they look black. But as soon as I start hitting light, that's it, the flip. Nice green. It's not too much flake. It's not too in your face. It's just nice, basically. Nice and subtle. A nice green flip. A nice speckle to the flake. And I think the customer is going to be very happy with these. Nice glossy finish. But they're really nice. Give me a like for them. Let me know in the comments what you think of them. And yeah, if you want help doing, let me know. AGI Graphics or One Touch Smart Repairs in the description. I've also been on with my wheels. If you've been following me for a while on my Instagram, you'll know that I've got a set of Team Dynamics, I think the 3.1s or 3.2s. I sprayed them gloss black. Now, they did look good, gloss black, really good. But because I've started with my hydro dipping again, I've got my heart set on carbon. So basically I've sanded the wheels back down this morning. Sanded them right down. I've given a couple of coats of high build primer, because obviously I want the smoothest finish that I can possibly get. I'll show you these. So I'll just pull this wheel out. So basically this is also what I've done this morning. So obviously standard Dynamics trademark stamping in, the Ravatat stamp it here, or the stamp it into the side. But yeah, I think these will look really nice on car. I was chasing a set of these up for quite a while, and I finally got my hands on some. As I say, I did do them gloss black, but I think they'll look nice and it'll be something different if I do them in carbon. So that's what's going to be happening. So I painted these this morning. They are touch dry, but with primers, stuff like that, you're best off leaving them about 12 hours before you start sanding and base coating. So I probably won't be base coating these today, it'll probably be tomorrow. As I say, they are dry, they're fairly dry to be honest, but I want to make sure that they're fully dry, so 12 hours. I'll probably end up doing them tomorrow morning. I'll sand them all down and then I'll black base coat them, and then they'll be ready for carbon dipping, and these wheels will be very, very sexual. So give me a thumbs up for them. Let me know what you think of that in the comments. Some of you might have seen the review video as well, and you might have noticed something in the corner. So that is the Nürburgring that I reviewed. It's having a bit of work done to it. I'm not going to go into detail, but it's having a bit of work done on it at the minute. The owner isn't very happy with the situation, but we're not going to go into detail. He hasn't crashed it, it's just a mechanical issue. Well, yeah, it's mechanical, but it's nothing engine based. But as I say, I'm not going to go into detail. So yeah, today is Valentine's Day. What do you do on Valentine's Day? You have a meal with beer. Meal with your love of your life. Well guys, I'm sorry to say, but where are you? Where are you, babe? Drop into my DMs anytime you want. So yeah, today's going to be interesting. The single life is good. I'm enjoying myself, as you can see. So yeah, I'm going to crack on today. I'm going to spend time with my bae, obviously my car. So yeah guys. So guys, we knew it wouldn't be Valentine's without something on a car need doing. Come on. So yeah, I think it's the first time you guys will have seen this with a blue bonnet. So there you go. What do you think, guys? I think it looks awesome. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like that. As you can tell, wheel bar. So the problem that I've got with this, basically, what keeps happening, the front hub nut on the drive shaft keeps coming loose every time I torque it up with long bar. Also when we're coming down to the new workshop, I had the compressor down here, so what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to whip the wheels off, take the hub nut pin out, and then buzz them up just to be on the safe side, because I have felt a bit of movement on the steering. So I'm guessing it's that. If it isn't, I'm going to have to get under the car and have a look. It's probably something to do with arms or something with torque at car. It's probably undone it a bit. But as I say, I'm going to get the impact gun on compressor and tighten these up, just nip them up. Buzz gun should do a better job than what the long bar can. Only thing about using the buzz gun, you can write stuff off, you can just round it so easily if you go too far with it. So I'll literally be undoing this and I'll just be tapping it with buzz gun. So hopefully it works, guys.